Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like probably a year since I've been back on YouTube, but I'm finally back. So a lot has changed in the process of just I don't even know, just a lot has just changed in the past year since I've been off. So I currently don't live in Florida anymore. I'm in a different state, but what was I gonna say? I'm losing train of thought. I don't write this stuff down. I just go with the flow. Anyway, so yeah, I moved. We got that. I'm in an Airbnb, and so far this Airbnb has been good to me. I haven't had any issues. Now the only thing is I didn't get an Airbnb like the entire place by myself because I felt like it wasn't needed for me because I'm by myself. So I just got one of the ones where you like rent out a room, and to me it's like just having like being back in the college days. Like, you guys know, people that went to college, you know, being in a dorm, you know, is pretty much the same to me. The only thing is, so I don't have to share a bathroom, share a shower, which I'm nobody, which I'm cool about. So that has been good. It's like an older lady.
Okay, first, pause. The only reason why I was whispering because I didn't want anybody to hear me. But yeah, that's the only reason why I got closer to the camera. But let's get back into this video.
And a couple who are, one of the lady's pregnant, and then there's another couple. Yeah, there's like another couple. I don't know if their hair go. I don't know. But yeah, the old lady, she kind of weird, but she ain't gonna hit no fly. So yeah, another thing is I want to show you guys the tour of the room and stuff, but I'm not gonna show like, I don't think I'm gonna be able to like video like downstairs because like I don't even know how to explain it. It's just weird. I just think I can't record, but I might take some pictures. So yeah, I just want to give you guys an update. Like, oh shit, my phone keeps blowing up. I'm good. I don't even know what that was, but whatever. What is that? Yeah, I should but yeah, a lot. I don't know why I'm laughing because it's an insider, because like me and my friend was like maybe on YouTube, a lot of you guys have asked me about, and ain't nobody asking nobody. So we're gonna stop right there. Out of my 600 something subscribers, about 5 to 10 of you have asked me, so I'm not even gonna say a lot of you guys have asked because don't nobody actually really care, I guess. I don't look out for more videos. Definitely subscribe, like this video, share it. I don't know. Oh, my phone's going on. Okay, yeah, I gotta go because yeah, I don't make this longer than what I said. So peace out.